Okay, sweetie girl, make a wish. Put over when I'm done. Just make sure that the edge. By the roll. Hello again. Today we're going to be sharpening an Eafengrow 3007 made from D2 steel, and we're going to be using only the wind sharpening system, the 220 grit stone and the leather strop with the paste that comes with the system. I am, however, going to be using a knife jig, which you do have to buy separately, and a small knife jig from Tormek. This is excellent for sharpening smaller knives. So stay tuned. I think you're going to love the results. You silly goose. Okay. Okay, sweetie girl, make a wish. That's pretty sharp. Well, guys, I'm not sure what sweetie girl wished for, but I'm sure it was something good and pink. But this knife right here that we sharpen is called an Eafengrow CH3007. It has G10 handle scales and a D2 steel blade. Awesome pocket knife. It's owned by a HVAC tech, and he uses it for all kinds of things you're not supposed to use it for. But so far so good. Some of the challenges on this one, the knife had just a slight bend in the beginning, so we bent it back, and that allowed it to be nice and straight in the jig. And other than that, it came out pretty nicely. I'm happy with it. And you know, I could have got it sharper using Japanese water stones, but it's a pocket knife, so you know, just a wind sharpening edge. It's razor sharp. It's a little toothy. And just the strop finishes it off, and it does a great job. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.